So if you're a video editor and you are making between $500 and $3,000 per month and you want to get new clients, then this is the right video for you. If you cannot stick into this video and watch this video till the end to get new clients, then I need to be honest with you. Unfortunately, you will not make it as a video editor. I started out video editing when I was 14, 15 years old, and then I scaled my own editing agency towards $10,000 per month. So in this video, I'm giving you all of my secrets, how I would start today to get towards $5,000 to $10,000 per month, what methods to use to get new clients, and how you can get the next clients in the next couple of days, couple of weeks, so you can make more money. So on this planet, there are only 4 ways of getting new clients, of getting new connections with other humans. And if you want to get more clients, the easiest way, and to not put money into acquiring new customers, don't click away. Obviously, you know the method, but you didn't do it right, because otherwise, when you would do it right, you would make more money. You would make between $5,000 and $10,000. So when you don't make this figure, you are not in a position to argue if it's going to work or not, because most probably you didn't do it right, and you didn't do it over a period of time, and you didn't do it often enough to get the right results. This method, when you do it often enough, the right way, and long enough, then you will get, in a couple of days, you could get easily clients that pay you a couple of thousands every single month. This method made me thousands of euros each month, and this is how I scale towards 10K. So method number 1, and the most easiest one, is outreach. Obviously, you know it. Outreach, I made thousands of dollars over outreach over Instagram. Just pick one platform. For me, it was Instagram. I have another video down below, first link in the description, where I show you which copy I used, what offer I used to close these deals, and how I made my first $10,000 per month as a video editor. Check out the first link in the description. I go more in depth about copy and how I made it, what model I used as a video editor. But the most important to understand is, when you send 10 messages per day to get more clients, you will fail. Try to do 100, 200, or even 300 per day, and do this over a couple of weeks. Now you just need to understand what to put into the outreach method and how to do it and how to close these clients once you get them onto a call. Because when you just say, hey, I'm a video editor, you will not close deals. That's not how it works. You need to have the right offer. Again, check the first link in the description. So I talked about the 4 ways of getting clients, which is cold outreach, content, paid ads, and warm outreach. And the easiest, obviously, is to do cold outreach. This is how I also made my first thousands. But if you're obviously a content creator, you can create content to attract clients towards yourself. And this is when you get serious about building a real editing business, and you're getting inbox DMs with brands and clients which want to work with you and pay you thousands of dollars. Again, there's a link down below where I go in depth how to do this. So again, when I would start today, I would start sending between 100 and 300 messages per day, cold messages. Then I would focus on offering the right offer as a video editor, because when you just say I'm offering video editing, nobody will take you serious, because there are thousands, millions of video editors which just do the same approach. You need to do it differently. Again, first link in the description. And then when you get these clients on a monthly retainer with the right offer, then you need to deliver in the right way, because most of the video editors I talk to on a daily basis just completely get it wrong, and the clients are jumping off because you're not focusing on the right value, on the right offer, of the right thing you need to offer. Because video editing alone will not get you far enough, because you will be in this range between $1,000, $2,000 per month. But when you really want to scale, you need to offer something more valuable than just editing videos. You need to focus on what makes the client more money. And video editing is a puzzle piece, but there's a much bigger picture to deliver towards these clients. And if you want to do this, you need to dedicate yourself. You need to focus. You need to wake up. Literally, you're watching this video because you want to make more money with video editing. You have an amazing skill. You just need to use it in the right way. You just need to make the outreach the right way. You need to offer the right thing towards the clients. And then you just need to fulfill the client so the client is happy. You will not be successful when you send generic messages towards any client and you don't really have a niche and you don't focus. You will not be successful because, again, you're not focused. You have an internet connection, otherwise you couldn't watch this video. You have a laptop or a phone, and obviously you have an editing program, maybe CapCut, maybe Premiere, maybe Final Cut or DaVinci Resolve. This is all you need. Your hands, an editing program, Wi-Fi connection, and an Instagram account to make thousands of dollars per month as a video editor. So if you really want to get serious, if you really want to get serious and you want to make more money as a video editor, and you finally want to change your life, give something back towards your family, maybe travel the world and do whatever you want to be financial free, to be free on this planet so you can travel around and you can finally do these things, whatever you want, then again, check the first link in the description out. I give you all of my knowledge. This is my case study, how I scaled towards 10,000. It was actually $12,000, $13,000 per month, and give you everything away. I give you my copy. I give you my offer, what I offer towards these clients and how I retained them to have them over a 6-month period. I had even one client pay me $20,000 because I offered the right thing. So again, check out the first link in the description. On this YouTube channel, you will find more. And it's only you and your laptop and the internet connection you need to make thousands of dollars. So it's only upon you if you really want to get successful. Because again, when you have an attention span like a goldfish, you will not make it. If you do not do these things, what I share completely for free, you will not be successful. Click the first link in the description and just do these things and you will make far more money than you do today.